Hi dear customer, this is our automatic metal zipper normal T stamping machine. So this machine's output is about 258 meters per hour. And here is a tab from our customer, you can see. And the zipper tab will be through into the machine like this way. And here is the brass wire for stamping. You can see here is the brass wire. And it will go into the machine like this way. And the metal zipper will be stamped in here. You can see here. Okay, and here is the control plate for setting the machine parameters. You can see here. And now, here is all for the machine's detail. Now let's run the machine to see its operation. Take the zipper tab into the machine. Okay, now let's see the finished result. The zipper piece is stamping very clearly, and the result is very perfect. Now I want to introduce this control plate of the normal zipper T stamping machine. Here is the four buttons of this control plate. I will introduce the function one by one to you. For this button is for setting the machine's parameters. Now the control plate is showing letter A on here. It means the teeth, the length of the teeth. You can see here. The quantity 80 means the length here from here. That means this length is about 80 zipper teeth. Okay? And press again to beat later. The quantity is 20. It means the empty space is 20 pieces teeth. Okay, so if you want to get the long chain, that means that you need to set up the quantity to 0. That this machine will get produce the long chains directly. And now let's press again. This one is the zipper quantity that you want to max. For here we set up 96 pieces. That means the machine will stop automatically when it finishes the 96 quantity. Okay, and now we press again to 22. 22 means the zipper has produced 22 pieces zipper already. Okay, and for this button is for move the position of the number that you want to change. Like, let me show you how to work it. You can see. Okay, if you want to increase the number that you want to need to press this one, and the number will change. Okay. Here is the function of these two buttons, and for this one is the reset button. If you want to, if the zipper is finished one round, that you need to press this reset button to reset the machine's parameters. Okay, here is all for the function of these four buttons. If you have any questions about these machines, please feel free to contact with us to get more details. Thank you very much.